Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off vibration on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off vibration on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening the WhatsApp on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and over here there is the settings option available just above the switch accounts. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the notifications option available for us just below the chats. Tap on notifications and scroll down from over here to the bottom of the list where you can see there is the vibrate option available for us. Now in order to turn it off, you can see when you tap on it, this kind of pop-up will appear, and there is the default short, long and the off option available for us. Now in order to turn it off, tap on the off button and your vibration will be turned off on WhatsApp. And with that being done guys, this is how to turn off vibration on WhatsApp call. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.